guys! Welcome back to my channel. So bago ako mag-start, sana ay okay pa lahat dahil alam naman natin nasa pandemic pa rin tayo. More than a year nasa pandemic tayo kaya sobrang pandemic na ang mundo. So yung puso ko durog na dahil na itong pandemic na to guys. So imagine niyo ang dami ng negosyong nalugi, nagsarado. So resulta nun, yung mga employee wala ng mga work. Kaya dapat sa panahon ngayon, tatagan pa rin natin ang ating sarili. So ako naman, okay pa naman ako. Tumatakbo pa ng medyo mabilis-bilis pa naman. At pumapadyak-padyak pa naman guys. So seryoso, okay pa naman sa awa ng Diyos. So ngayon, bago ako mag-start yung kung ano man yung pinaka-content ko, I would like to say thank you sa lahat ng supporter ng aking YouTube channel. From the start hanggang ngayon, sinuportahan nyo ako. Nandyan pa rin kayo, nanonood pa rin kayo sa mga video ko. Thank you ng marami. At hanggang ngayon, nandyan pa rin kayo, sumusubaybay at sumuporta sa akin. At dahil dyan, kahit na nasa pandemic tayo guys, ako naman ay masaya ngayon. Dahil kung hindi dahil sa inyo, kung hindi dahil sa mga subscriber ko, hindi ko to matatanggap itong sulat na to. Baliktad pa. Yan. Itong sulat na to galing kay YouTube. So, bali ito guys, ito yung pinaka birth certificate ko galing kay YouTube. So, ito yung Google Adsense natin. Ang tagal ko tong inantay. Biruin nyo, nag-mail sa akin yung si YouTube last February 19, 2021. So, dumating siya sa post office, nakalagay dito, March 26, 2021. And then, dumating sa unit ko noong April 7, 2021. So, from post office hanggang dito sa bahay, umabot siya ng mga 2 months and 2 weeks bago ko to natanggap, itong birth certificate galing kay YouTube. Siyempre doon ako natutuwa dahil nandito na siya, brum. So normally kasi kapag hindi tayo nasa pandemic, sinasabi doon 2 to 4 weeks marireceive mo na tong Google Adsense na ito, itong birth certificate na to. So at last, nandito na siya. So para saan ba to? So dito na kasi parang mag-start na yung payment mo. Babayaran ka na YouTube. Mga hirap mo, kakaroon ka na ng sahod. Kaya lang ako, syempre hindi pa ako magkakasahod. Kasi kailangan ko pa rin ma-meet yung requirement, yung minimum threshold kung tawagin para makareceive ako ng sahod. Pero at least andito na siya. Starting na to guys. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo at sinuportahan nyo ako at andito na ito. So kailangan ko itong i-vlog kasi bilang isang mga YouTuber o vlogger, ito kasi isang milestone o achievement. Isa sa mga achievement na inaantay ng lahat ng vlogger at YouTuber. Nung ipinanganak ka, isinilang ka, bago ka magiging fully registered or magiging fully citizen ng Pilipinas, dadalhin pa yan ng NSO at bibigyan ka ng birth certificate. Okay? So, for more than 2 months and 2 weeks, dumating na siya. So, guys, salamat ng marami. Nandito na to. So, at the end of this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo, meron akong ipopost na video doon kung gaano ba ito kahalaga sa YouTuber bilang vlogger tsaka YouTuber. sobrang saya. Salamat ng marami. Sa mga bago pa lang sa channel ko, so huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos ko. So guys, salamat again sa suporta. Just believe yourself at huwag kalimutang magdasal sa Panginoon na sana lahat ng bagay na ito ay matatapos na, lalong-lalo na itong pandemic na ito kasi sobrang napaka-stressful na. So I hope everyone will be safe makasurvive na itong pandemic na to para by December o by next year back to normal na tayo. Grabe, ayoko na. Nakaka-stress sobra guys. So please be safe. We heal as one.
Hello, my name is Catherine and I'm a specialist within the Publisher Support Team. Today, we will be looking at the process of address verification, also known as the mail PIN. We will address some of your most frequently asked questions on this topic. In order to protect the security of accounts, Google requires you to verify your address before we can send you any payments. Once you have received a minimum threshold of earnings, we mail a personal identification number, known as PIN, to your payment address. Once you receive this PIN, you'll then need to enter it within your Adsense account. If you enter the PIN correctly, your account will be verified, and you are eligible to start receiving payments as per our payment process. We have also included a link to the payment thresholds in our description box for your reference. Now, let's take a look at some of your most frequently asked questions. When will my PIN arrive? We'll print and send your PIN by standard mail several days after your account balance reaches the verification threshold for the first time. You can check the verification thresholds in the link we've included in the description box. For US dollar, the threshold is $10 US. For Hong Kong dollar, the threshold is 100 Hong Kong dollars. PINs are usually sent from abroad. They typically arrive within 2 to 4 weeks, but may take longer depending on the postal service in your country. When do I need to enter my PIN? You'll have 4 months from the date your first PIN is generated to enter it in your account. If you haven't entered it after 4 months, ads will stop showing on your pages. Where can I enter my PIN? When you receive your PIN, enter it in the account information page of your Adsense account. What if my PIN doesn't arrive? It's possible that your PIN could fail to reach you, depending on the postal service. If you don't receive your PIN after 4 weeks, you can request a replacement PIN. What if my address is wrong? Before requesting a new PIN, make sure that the payment address in your Adsense account is accurate. If there's any errors in your address, or if you've moved to a new address, you will need to change the payment address within your account. Follow the instructions that we have linked in the description box of this video. I hope this information helps you to better understand our address verification process. As always, you'll find helpful links in our help center in the description box of this video. And let us know in the comments if this video has been helpful. Thank you.